Every morning, billions of people wake up not to peace, not to purpose, but to a screen. Before they even open both eyes fully, they're already scrolling, comparing, reacting. Their brain, once calm and resting, is instantly flooded with noise. Science says this tiny moment matters more than most people realize. Because when you jump from deep sleep straight into digital chaos, your brain skips two vital states, theta and alpha, the bridge between dreaming and awareness. And without them, creativity fades, focus weakens, and anxiety grows. But what if, instead of starting your day in chaos, you could train your brain like a muscle to become calm, focused, and limitless? In just 30 minutes a day, the human brain is not fixed, it's constantly rewiring itself. Every thought, every breath, every small choice shapes its chemistry and connections. So if the brain can be trained for stress, it can also be trained for peace. Neuroscientists have found that a simple daily practice, known as MOVERS, can activate balance, clarity, and long-term focus no matter how busy life gets. It's not a ritual of luxury, it's a habit of survival in the age of distraction. MOVERS stands for meditation, ocean breathing, visualization, exercise, reading, and scribing. 6 steps, 5 minutes each, 30 minutes that can reshape your day and slowly, your life. Let's explore how each of them works and why your brain will thank you for it. Meditation. Meditation isn't about silence or sitting still. It's about creating space between thought and reaction. When practiced daily, it strengthens the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain that helps you focus, decide, and stay calm under pressure. Even 5 minutes of mindful breathing or quiet reflection can reduce stress hormones and reset emotional balance. Think of it as cleaning your mental windshield before driving into your day. Ocean breathing. Next comes breathing. Deep, slow, deliberate breaths from the diaphragm like gentle ocean waves. This simple act balances the body's two nervous systems, the sympathetic your accelerator and the parasympathetic your brake. When they're balanced, you don't just survive the day, you flow through it. Visualization. Here's where it gets fascinating. Your brain can't tell the difference between what's real and what's imagined. In one famous study, people who only visualized playing piano showed the same brain changes as those who practiced physically. That's the power of mental rehearsal. So, visualize your ideal day, your next goal, your future self, clearly, emotionally, vividly. When you see it, your brain starts preparing to make it real. Exercise. Movement is food for the brain. Even a simple 20-minute walk triggers serotonin and BDNF chemicals that grow new brain cells and boost mood. Whether it's yoga, dancing, or stretching, movement isn't just for the body, it's your brain's daily recharge. Reading. What you read each morning shapes how your mind speaks to itself all day. So start with positivity, not headlines or notifications. Read a few pages of something inspiring, a quote that uplifts you, or a story that reminds you of who you want to be. Feed your thoughts the same way you feed your body with intention. Scribing. Finally, write. Not for grammar, not for beauty, but for release. Write what you feel, what you fear, what you hope for. Then, let it go. Writing is emotional exhalation, a safe way to clear what's been sitting heavy inside. Because unexpressed emotions don't disappear, they just hide in the body. Scribing lets them breathe out. When you practice these 6 steps, you give your brain the gift of rhythm and ritual. Over time, stress softens, focus sharpens, and creativity expands. Not through luck or motivation, but through repetition, the quiet power of daily rewiring.